YouTube, what's going on with y'all kin folk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy F, baby. Please say the baby. Check the toe tag, the name tag, Weezy Wee. Hey, man, appreciate y'all for coming through once again. Man, if you new over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy. Because 3K is on the way, man, and I need y'all help hitting that 3K, man. We so close. And shout out to all my day ones, man. But y'all know what time it is. It is Saturday, Jordan release day as usual. Cool grade 3s. Now, my store did not get them. We're actually going to have a late shipment, but I'm definitely planning on getting those. I need them. I need them. I remember when they came out, and I wasn't able to get them the first time, so I got to get the re-release, man. But other than that, y'all see I'm riding out, man. So let's go ahead and blast off and pick these dang on things up, man. Let's see who got them. We coming back. We coming back. Them boy got them Girl Scout cookies. I'm about to get right. Hey, so what's up, y'all? Hey, but the Athlete's Foot, they just called us and said they got a 12 and a 13. So we about to go pick them things up. Check us out, baby. Got my boy 704 No.
Yo, what up, my guy?
Hey, man. Let's get it. Hey, man, we here so we don't get fined. Man, they got all the Carolina blue stuff already.
Meanwhile.
Hey, man, the deal is set. The deed is done. They hold us on that size 12, man. They had a dude in there that wore a size 11. And he went on ahead and bought the 12, which is crazy.
About that much space to just tell
yeah, man. He only bought it because he saw us walking there, but we did get a size 13. Got the review coming for y'all when I get to the crib, man. All right, guys, so I'm back at the crib with the cool grade 3s. Now, these shoes haven't been out since my senior year of high school. These haven't came out since 2007. Shout out to all my classmates around the world that graduated high school in 2007. Bro, 2007 was a different year. And come to think of it, these are like 14 years on the head because I remember my senior trip payment was due in like that February. And I tried to get these, but my mom was like, either you're going to get some shoes or you're going to pay for your senior trip. So obviously I paid for my senior trip. I mean, that's a once in a lifetime thing. But here we have it, man. You guys see the box. I like how Jordan Brand is doing the 3s now with the different Unite boxes. It's amazing, man. We got the cool gray box. And this is a size 13. I'm gonna let y'all see the tag, but I'm gonna read it out to y'all. Air Jordan 3 Retro. The color is silver, sport red, light graphite. This is a size 13 and it retailed for $190. This came from Athlete's Foot, so I wasn't able to use my discount. We didn't have our pairs in yet, so I don't know what's going on. I guess we're supposed to be getting them in later. So I will have my size later on. And y'all know I'm gonna use my discount on mine. Fuck that. Y'all know I don't really like paying full price, but did find a buyer for these, man. So we got a size 13. Let that thing focus for y'all. And we're gonna drop the top on this bad boy. So we got our 3 paper. And man, these joints right here so cold, man. Like this is a different type right here for y'all. And bow, here we got them things, man. The cool grade 3s. Like I said, first time since 2007. Boy, oh boy, like I'm so excited just to have these in my hand, even though these aren't my size. I wish they were a size 12, but hey man, like I said, patience. I'm just gonna be patient until we get ours. But enough of me talking. Y'all head off. Let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, now starting with the outsole, we see the outsole has that graphite gray with the red Jordan spelled out along the white trimming of the outsole. I think that's a dope as well. Even though we can't see it, it's still dope as I don't know what, man. And to let y'all know, I'm a huge fan of 3s. I got a couple homegirls. I know my old lady be talking about 3s just look like tax time sneakers. They look cheap, but they don't know what they be talking about. So we ain't gonna mind them. We definitely not gonna mind them, man. But heading up onto the midsole, all right. The midsole near the toe cap is that graphite gray, and then it goes along the white. And then we have our air unit, our air bubble, and going further up into the midsole to the back of it, it starts back out in that graphite gray. Now, I'm gonna turn it around to the back of the sneaker. We have our elephant print or our cement print. To casual sneakerheads, we call it elephant print. We got our elephant print almost along the heel, and on the back heel, we have air written out in that citrus yellow or that sunset yellow with our red Jumpman. Now, I know a lot of people was talking about was Nike Air going to be on the back, but this isn't an OG colorway, so I didn't expect Jordan Brand myself to put Nike Air on the back of these. I'm glad they kept it to the 2007 detailing that they had that year. All right, and now we're gonna head back up onto the upper of the sneaker. Now the upper feels kind of nubuck suede-ish. I think it's more along the lines of a suede style, suede material. All right, and we have our citrus yellow where our laces are. They do come with white laces. And headed up onto the tongue. The tongue feels like we got a nubuck feel tongue with our red Jumpman looking kind of chunky. You know, Michael Jordan just had a birthday. He like 58 years old now, so I don't know, the boy might be eating too much. He ain't playing enough basketball, you feel me? But now we have a white sock liner. Now I know a lot of people don't like white sock liners. I'm definitely not a fan of white sock liners. So you won't be able to wear like a black sock or a color sock with these, because the black sock is gonna make it dirty, and then a color sock, they might bleed if you're sweating and anything like that. Shout out to all the fat boys. I mean, hey, RIP to my man Marky, man, one of the original fat boys, man. RIP to my boy, man. All right, and looking at the insole is white with a red Jumpman inside of that thing. Hey, man. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I like every detail of this sneaker. This was one of the ones right here, man. Like I said, my senior year of high school, I definitely tried to go back and get everything I had when I was in high school. 14 years in the making, and it was one of the ones, man. Like I was saying, like a lot of people weren't really buying J's like that back then, but shout out to the people who were. In the words of my boy Polo and J's, I can't really rock with these new booties, man. These new booties, they don't know. They wasn't there, you feel me? But before we end this thing, I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll. Like I said, if this was a size 12, I would definitely give y'all an on foot, but I'm just gonna give y'all the B-roll, and then we gonna end this thing, man. So guys, there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll. The Cool Gray Air Jordan 3. Man, this is a year of grays right here. I know the Cool Gray 11s, they come back out in December, and I hope they keep those OG to the T. Man, I never had the Cool Gray 11, so I definitely need those. Also, the Vast Gray Dunks, that's one on my radar, so this might be a gray year for me, man. I really do like the color gray secretly, but y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these, and did you pick them up, or are you gonna pick them up later on down the line, man? Y'all know I like to interact with y'all in the comment section below, but hey, man, so y'all make sure y'all do that. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, presenting you guys the Cool Gray 3s. And baby, y'all know how I get out of here. Love, peace, and with all this beef, put some chicken grease on that thing. I'm about to go get my hair done, and I'm out.